Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word skirted. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. She skirted around the main issue during the meeting, never addressing it directly. Skirted in this context means to move around or avoid something, such as an issue, without directly confronting or dealing with it. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.